What is Venmo and how does it work? You're at brunch with friends, the bill comes, one person pays, and someone says, just Venmo me. But what exactly is Venmo, how does it work, and why is it everywhere? Let's break it all down simple, fast, and real so you know exactly how to use Venmo and whether it's the right payment app for you. Venmo is a mobile payment service owned by PayPal. It lets you send and receive money instantly, right from your smartphone. But here's the twist. Venmo isn't just a money transfer tool. It's part payment app, part social feed. And that combination is what made it explode, especially among younger users. So how does Venmo actually work? You start by downloading the app and setting up your account. That means linking your bank account or debit card, verifying your identity, creating a Venmo username. Once you're set up, sending money is easy. Just open the app, tap Pay or Request, choose a friend, type the amount, and add a note. The note? That's the fun part. It's usually a short message or emoji, and it shows up in a social feed like a Facebook wall, but for money. You can make payments public, friends only, or private, depending on your settings. How do you get your money? If someone sends you cash, it lands in your Venmo balance. You can leave it there to use later. Transfer it to your bank account, usually 1-3 business days, or do an instant transfer which arrives in minutes but comes with a small fee, typically 1.75% as of 2025. You can also use your Venmo balance to pay others directly or shop online at select merchants that accept Venmo. What makes Venmo different? 3 big things: simplicity, fast, clean, and super user-friendly. Social vibe. See what friends are paying each other for, add emojis, and make it fun. Built-in community. Everyone from roommates to co-workers is likely already using it. That social feed isn't just decoration. It creates trust, helps you spot fake accounts, and makes small transactions feel more casual and human. What does it cost? S. Sending money from a linked bank account or debit card. Free. Receiving money. Free. Sending from a credit card. 3% fee. Instant transfers to bank. Small fee applies, but if you plan it right, you can use Venmo every day without paying a cent. Can you use Venmo for business? Yes, but you'll need a business profile. Venmo now allows small businesses, creators, and freelancers to accept payments through the app. You set up a business account, get your own QR code, and start receiving money. The downside? Business transactions include processing fees similar to using a card reader or PayPal. Also, remember Venmo doesn't offer buyer protection for personal payments, so never use it to pay strangers or buy things from unknown sellers. Is Venmo safe? Venmo uses encryption, PIN codes, and biometric login to protect your account. But the biggest risk? Sending money to the wrong person. Once it's gone, it's gone. There are no refunds if you send it to a random user by mistake. So always double check usernames before hitting send. So is Venmo worth it? If you split bills, share expenses, or just want an easy way to pay friends and family, Venmo is one of the most convenient tools out there. Fast, familiar, fun. Just be smart about who you send money to and keep your transactions private when needed. Already using Venmo? Got a funny emoji habit in the notes? Drop your tips or questions in the comments and give this video a like if it helped you master the app.